Great morning, scholars. This is Mr. Amos, Miss King, Miss Parker, Miss Rogers, and Miss George Williams with the morning announcements for the week of January 25th through the 29th. The mission of R.B. Hudson STEAM Academy is to produce world changers by providing innovative learning opportunities to include parental and community partnerships through science, technology, engineering, arts, and math in a safe, nurturing environment.
Good morning, scholars. This is Miss King with the R.B. Hudson Vision Statement. The vision of R.B. Hudson STEAM Academy is to develop scholars' critical thinking skills through rigorous and relevant content in order to maximize their potential in a global society.
Good morning, scholars. This is Ms. Rogers, your career tech instructor. Please breathe the Hudson Bulldog Creed with me. I am a Hudson Bulldog. I will be prepared for class and ready to learn each day. Understand that I must treat others the way I desire to be treated. Learn to follow directions and cooperate with others. Learn to always do my best. Dare to dream. Honor to my responsibilities. Give respect to people, especially myself and property, because success starts with me.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Black excellence is an all-time high. With me to talk about it is Bakari Sanders, April Ryan, Ramon Sanders, and Angela Rock. Angela, all-time high.
Of course it's at an all-time high. Black votes consistently go high.
Give me some examples.
Dawn, we don't have enough time. Serena Williams won the Australian Open.
Wow, she was 8 weeks pregnant.
And don't forget, black women saved Alabama.
98%.
And Uber shut off the boat. We got Issa, Ava, Lena, Oprah, and so many more.
We got some black man magic too. Dapper Dan, a trailblazer in fashion, officially partnered with Gucci and opened up a Gucci store in Harlem. Rich Dennis, the brothers sold Shea Moisture, then made sure they established a fund to support black women. Then bought Essence magazine, making it 100% black owned again.
We have made history in elections in Alabama, Virginia, and North Carolina.
And later got a man named Keisha.
Hey, Keisha.
Oh, Angela. Don't forget, we have the Black Panther movie coming out on February 16th, and it's already breaking records with pre-sales. And we have Ava's A Wrinkle in Time coming out on March 9th.
Wait, did we forget to talk about how Hidden Figures, Girls Trip, and Get Out shattered records? Listen, black folks have always been dope and always will be dope.
Ain't nothing fake about that news. They have it. Black activists have an all-time high. Happy Black Issue Month.
There are no birthdays today. The character message for this week for 7th grade is to be focused. Being focused will help you achieve your goal. For 8th grade, the character message is be priority conscious. Put first things first. Good morning, scholars. This is Mr. Amos with your social emotional skill for this week. We will focus on self-control. Watch your thoughts. They become words. Watch your words. They become actions. Watch your actions. They become habits. We'll also revisit coping skills. Learn how to respond in a time of crisis. Identify stressors and triggers in the environment.
Good morning, scholars and world changers. This is Mrs. George Williams reminding you all about our You've Been Book Challenge for the month of January. Scholars, don't forget to log on to MyOn and read those stories, then take an AR test on AR. Happy reading, scholars.
All right, scholars, time for the iReady assessment, and I know you guys are going to do your very best. We're always steaming for excellence at R.B. Hudson STEAM Academy. Show some bulldog pride on the iReady assessment. Show up on time every day from 9 to 2 with cameras on, and all week this week we're going to complete our iReady assessments. Scholars, show us what you got. Show that bulldog pride. We're steaming for excellence at R.B. Hudson STEAM Academy, and I know you guys can do it.
Good morning, scholars and world changers. This is Mrs. Parker with some test-taking tips. First, take your time and do not rush. Read each question and answer choice carefully. If you get a question you have not learned yet, try your best. For math, show your work on paper for every problem. For reading, read each passage carefully and reread the passage when necessary. And last but not least, check your work before going to the next question.
Scholars, always remember.
Good morning.
Scholars, always remember to take the world by storm. Success takes order, organization, respect, responsibility, and motivation. Please join us for a moment of silence.